Students, we would be looking at the application of service pricing. So normally, when you are looking for how to value some service pricing, you would be looking at two perspectives. The first perspective, of course, would be of accounting perspective. The other one would be the economic perspective. So for service pricing, the accounting perspective is to take the value of a service as a price floor as well as the price ceiling. What does it mean? It means that you will be taking the two thresholds or the two levels. One would be defined as the price floor, the max level, and one would be defined as the price ceiling, which is the minimum which you should be achieving. So ceiling में और floor में difference होता है आपके पास. So ceiling would be like the lower part of your floor. So minimum I would be here, and price floor is the maximum which I can get. There are services where you can actually change the price, you can vary the price. Price discrimination, third price discrimination की बात हम पहले भी कर चुके हैं. तो वहाँ पर customer segmentation की base पर you would be looking at some customers who would be achieving the price ceiling, for which you can achieve price ceiling, and there will be some customers for which you will be achieving the price floors. So from accounting perspective, that is for your ledgers and books, the value of service would be defined as a price floors and price ceilings. यानी अगर segmentation है तो floors भी आपके पास होंगे price के, the maximum levels and the minimum levels as well. And for accounting perspective, you will be defining the marginal cost as the variable cost of providing the service. So if you have provided the service, there will be a cost associated to it. और उस cost से ऊपर जो margin है वो determine करेगा. If the margin is more, you will call it the price floor. और अगर margin कम है, you will be calling it the price ceiling. So marginal cost would be the one which is like the operating cost, the cost which would be for providing that service. Then you have the economic perspective. Economic perspective make cost of service as price floors and value of service as price ceilings लिया जाता है. Now, marginal cost here would be defined as the cost that could be avoided if the service is not provided. So the perspective here is different. Normally, यहाँ पर marginal cost एक ऐसी unavoidable cost है that if you haven't provided the service, there is no cost associated to it. So accounting perspective में तो ये cost service provide करने की है. यहाँ पर you can avoid, like it's like opportunity cost more or less from the economic perspective. So we can actually look at this perspective with the help of a figure. If you see, the value of price is at the top. So let's say we define it between $80 to $110 for some kind of a product. Now the price would be $110. Customer value कितना कर रहा है, that would be known as the value of service. Then the average cost or fully allocated cost is $100. ये आपके पास क्या है, प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजेशन सिनेरियो है. इससे अबव आपके पास जो भी प्राइस हुई $100 से अबव, दैट इज गेटिंग यू अ प्रॉफिट. सो इफ यू वांट टू मैक्सिमाइज द प्रॉफिट, इट वुड बी एट द मैक्सिमम लेवल. इसके दरमियान में अगर कहीं है तो वहां पर भी यू वुड बी मेकिंग अ प्रॉफिट, ऑल्दो इट मे नॉट बी द ऑप्टिमाइज्ड वन. देन यू हैव, अगर आप दूसरा इसकी जो बेस को देखें, द प्राइस वैल्यू ऑफ सर्विस से ही स्टार्ट ले रहा है, दैट इज $80. एंड there is loss minimization, which is the marginal cost or the variable cost is like $90. When you provide that service, तो आपकी cost है increase करती है, वो $90 है. That is kind of a loss minimization scenario. यहाँ पर अगर आप customer point of view से देखें, तो you can actually define two type of customers. एक, जब discrimination की बात की जाती है, तो you would be going for, let's say, जो आपके लिए high value customers हैं, they would be paying like $110. और वैसी ही प्रोडक्ट आप कुछ कस्टमर्स के लिए लेट्स से $95 में भी बेच रहे होंगे. वहां पर आप अपने लॉस को मिनिमाइज कर रहे होंगे, विच इज अबव 90 और एट $90 लेवल. और जिस केस में आप 110 पे बेच रहे हैं कस्टमर्स को, क्योंकि आपने डिस्क्रिमिनेट किया हुआ है, तो वहां पर यू विल बी हैविंग द सिनेरियो ऑफ प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजेशन. सो इट्स ऑलवेज लाइक दैट. अगर आपने कस्टमर्स को टारगेट किया है एंड यू वांट मोर कस्टमर बेस, you will have the scenario of profit maximization for some base of customers, and for the other base of customer, you will have the loss minimization scenario. So when you have loss minimization scenario, you will be having some base of the customers who are actually buying it at no more than that price. And when you are in the profit maximization scenario, you will be looking at those customers, those base of customers who would be paying a higher value for that service. Thank you.